We are thrilled to announce the launch of the TestMu AI Cloud GitHub app on the GitHub Marketplace. This app agent is designed to seamlessly analyze your code changes and run end-to-end testing workflows automatically, covering everything from test case authoring to execution, and eventually reporting the final results, all within the GitHub environment. Now let's dive into how you can set it up. First, navigate to the TestMu AI Cloud GitHub app on the GitHub Marketplace and click Install to begin the installation process. During installation, you'll need to specify which repositories should have access to the app. You have two options here. You can go with an organization-wide installation by selecting all repositories to enable the app across your entire GitHub organization. Or you can choose only select repositories. Once you've made your selection, click the Install and Authorize button. You will be redirected to TestMu AI's integration page. In the sidebar, you can see that the TestMu AI Cloud GitHub app has been successfully integrated. You can also view and copy the configurations directly from the sidebar and paste them into your repository. Simply create a folder and a config file and paste the TestMu AI configurations there. Now that the setup is done, let me walk you through the GitHub repository I have here for the demo. I've raised a pull request with a small change in my demo app. Let's take a look at the demo app here. It's an Airbnb sample app with multiple property listings featuring basic filters, search options, and more. In the pull request I've raised, I made a small change in one of the files deployed in my demo app. To trigger the Kane AI flow, all you need to do is add a comment to this pull request and click on comment. Once you comment, the Kane AI workflow progress tracker will automatically start. You'll see multiple workflow steps as it begins analyzing your pull request. After analyzing the pull request, the system starts generating test cases. The agent works in the background to create these test cases for you. You can see some test cases getting queued here. 5 test cases have been created through our AI agent and are now being authored through Kane AI. Let's click on a specific test case to see what's happening in the authoring session. Automatically, a session is triggered in the Kane AI environment where the test is getting authored and automated. The Kane AI agent works seamlessly with the changes, ensuring all the steps are executed smoothly. One of the test cases is now automated. At the top bar, you'll notice real-time updates. As each test case gets automated through Kane AI, the progress will reflect this. Now we move to the next step, which is Kane AI Smart Intelligence. It suggests similar test cases already present in your test manager project to ensure comprehensive coverage for the particular pull request you've raised. As you can see, it has suggested multiple existing test cases in my project that should be covered in my test run. Now that the test case part is done, we'll move on to configuring the test run. After completing the test run configuration, you'll notice a new comment automatically logged in the pull request comments. This comment includes the test run details, including links to the TestMu AI dashboard where you can view the test run. Now let's take a look at the test run on the TestMu AI dashboard, which is fully executed through the pull request we raised. Returning to the GitHub pull request, you can see the status once it's completed. After the execution completes, you'll receive another comment with a test run report. It provides high-level data and in-depth details of the failed tests from the execution. The Kane AI agent also suggests AIRK to help you understand the failures and suggest remedies to fix them. This completes the flow from installing the app through the GitHub Marketplace to Kane AI generating test cases, authoring them, suggesting similar test cases through its intelligence, creating and executing the test run on TestMu AI Cloud, and generating the report. All of this happens seamlessly and automatically by simply adding a comment in your pull request. Thank you.